ending on blue line. Middle standing line. Middle standing line. Middle standing line. Very good children. Next. Again I am starting on blue line, ending on red line. So how am I going? The straight position. Yes. So which line is this? Lower standing line. Lower standing line. Starting on blue line, ending on red line. Remember it. Next. Next line was sleeping line. Where shall I start? It will lie down on blue line. I am starting from left to right. I am going this way. Yes. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Yes, children. Next line was right slanting line. So, look, right side. I am starting from right side. That is red line and ending on blue. So, my line is little bit cross. Look children, it is not straight. It is little bit cross. So, right slanting line, right slanting line, right slanting line. Got it? Next. Now I am starting from left. Yes. Again I am going little bit cross. So this is our left slanting line. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. Left slanting. You are going to write the same thing in your classwork book children. Open your 4 rule books. Yes. Open your 4 rule book. Now you are going to write, start with standing lines children. First from red line to blue line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. From where is it starting? Red line to blue line. First line to third line. Okay? Next. Middle standing line. Middle standing line. Middle standing line. Middle standing. From second line to third line. That is blue line to blue line children. Middle line. Yes. Now lower standing line. From where is it starting? From blue line to red line. Second line to fourth line. Second line to fourth line we are going. Second line to fourth line. Second line to fourth line. Okay. Like this. This is one page. Now in another page. Open next page. Again which lines we have to write? Sleeping line. So from where is it starting? It is going from left to right. It is falling on. It is lying down on blue line children. So sleeping line. 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 Got it? Next. Right slanting line. It is slightly bent towards right side. Like this. Right slanting line. 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 Look at the line carefully children. It is bent towards right. It is bent towards right. It is looking forward. Okay. So this is right slanting line. Next. Now we are writing left slanting line. 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 Now left side, left slanting line. Which side is it? It is slightly bent towards left. And this line is looking backward. Yes? So this is left slanting line. Say, repeat. Yes, children. Come on, repeat once more. standing line, standing line, middle standing line, middle standing line, lower standing line, lower standing line. Okay. Next line is sleeping line, sleeping line, right slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line, left slanting line. So now activity time, children. Look what is today's activity. Okay, look carefully at the dotted lines I have given. Yes, now what you have to do, you have to draw this in your activity book, children. All these pictures, draw it in your activity book. Dear parents, please draw it in the activity book. Ask the child to connect all the dotted lines in the activity book. Now you have to join the lines, then color it, children. Okay, now first one, look where what I am joining. Now you have to say me which line is this. Yes, now tell me which line is this. Standing line. Very good, children. Yes, now tell me which line is this. Standing line. Yes, very good, children. Good. Next, I am joining this line. Again, I am joining this line. Which lines are these? These are sleeping lines. Very good. Good, children. Next, this is our, which line is this? Right slanting line. Yes, good. Next, this is our left slanting line, children. Yes, very good. This is again right slanting line. Next again left slanting line. So right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line. Okay? Good, children. Next, look here. It is raining. Yeah? So which side are the raindrops falling, children? Which lines are these? Let us join and see. Wow, these are our left slanting lines. Yes? These are our left slanting lines. Okay? Yes. Now next. Again, let us draw a kite. So, this is our right slanting line. Next, left slanting line. Again, left slanting line, right slanting line, children. Okay? Now again here, right slanting line. Don't get confused, okay? That side, right slanting line. This side, left slanting line. Okay? Yes, children. Again look here. We have a lollipop here. Yummy, yummy. Yes, you are going to color it. Standing lines. This is sleeping line. In the same way, you have to draw all the lines, join all the lines and complete the work in your activity book. Okay? Have a good day, children. Thank you.